Okay, let's talk about Sonakshi Sinha. She's a girlfriend in the film, right?
No, no. She's somebody who I don't know.
हाँ.
And the first time I talked to her, इसकी शादी वादी होगी तुम्हारी? तुम्हारे बाप तुम्हारी लड़की ढूंढे जिसने अच्छा किए और हम चुलबुल पढ़ने हम पुलिस वाले हैं. So he's always like he likes her. Second time he wants. It's a different kind of romance altogether.
I must tell you, I read an interview of hers where she said Salman uncle spoke to us.
Yeah. Nowadays she doesn't know what to call me, so she doesn't call me anything.
But doesn't it feel odd to be acting with someone who has, as the lover of somebody who's 22 years younger than you and calls you Salman uncle?
Yeah, but I'm very young.
Now that you are, of course. And there's something about you, Salman. Full stop.
Yeah. You know?
Absolutely.
I told you. I told you.
But seriously, didn't it feel odd? I mean, you're acting as...
No, I want to see her. I've seen her when she was 16, 17. I've seen Bebo when she was 9 years old.
तो अजीब नहीं लगता?
Yeah. और इसलिए तो इतने साल काम नहीं किया है. I didn't work with Bebo for the longest time because I worked with the older sister. Now suddenly this one girl I've seen when she was 9 years old. To work with her was like...
You felt awkward about it?
Yeah.
So then why does it happen?
I feel awkward working with normal, heroines where, in romantic scenes and life.
But why does this happen so much in the Hindi film industry these days? Especially because right now you, Shah Rukh and Aamir are doing so well. And we see so many of these hero-heroine 20-year age differences.
Yeah, but then if the girls looked at the age of 45, look like 20 years old, they'd have been fine. For guys, it's slightly fortunate that there's no screen age as such.
But women like Kajol are looking so lovely.
Yeah, lovely. Yeah, they're lovely.
Juhi Chawla is looking so lovely.
Yeah, but Kajol is doing films. No, Kajol has just done a film with.
बहुत कम करती है. I would love to see Kajol with you.
Yeah, but I've done a film with Kajol.
Yeah, I would love to see Kajol in Dabangg with you. I mean, Sonakshi is pretty, of course, but.
Yeah, but. It's always better also, new faces coming in, new people coming to the industry.
वो तो है, but I have a feminist issue because I feel that the industry gives longevity to men. I mean, 25 years, but it doesn't give that many opportunities to women.
Why? Kajol has been in the film industry for the last 15 years.
Such a rarity.
Once and Madhuri was there for the longest time. Madhuri just quit, eight years ago. Madhuri came with me, so Madhuri had a good 15 to 16-year-old career. You take Preeti. You take
with men, it's so regular.
Preeti has been here 15 years. Shilpa has been here since the time
But Shilpa is not acting in films anymore, and Shilpa is very openly acknowledging she's not getting good film offers.
Yeah, but then till what?
The girls themselves say.
Yeah, but till 2 years, 2.5, 3 years.
You're a powerful man in the industry.
Yeah, but I can't tell people to go and watch the film, no?
You mean audiences will not watch a film with people like Juhi or Madhuri or...
Depends on what kind of films. Depends on what kind of films you're making.
But you will admit, right, that either there is sexism in the audience or there is sexism in the industry.
I have no problem if somebody's come to me with a film with Shilpa. I've done so many films with Shilpa. I've done so many films with Lolo. I've done 3 films with Rani and Preeti in the last 4-5 years. So I have no problem with that. When I'm doing romantic comedies and all, I'm working with Asin. And
Asin's in her 20s.
No.
Of course.
Asin is 47 years old.
It is MCPs.
No, yeah, total. I agree with
MCPs,
you. I totally agree with you. But this has nothing to do with the heroes of the industry. This is to do with the producers. And
right now, most of the heroes are also producers themselves.
Yeah, that has to do with them. I've got nothing to do with this.
I did get you on that one, right? All right, Mr. Khan, you must be looking forward to Bigg Boss. I find it a little ironical, though, that, you, Bachchan Saab, Shilpa, you're a very private people. You rarely talk about your personal life. And when you're hosting a show like this, I feel a little irony in that. Did you not think of that?
Like if you watch Das Ka Dam, every reference was given, with my own life, what's happened in my life, with my friends, so I'm not, my bedroom is my bedroom, my living room is the whole country. If a common man, if a fan, if he really wants to know about something, I would definitely go out and tell him the honest truth. But if somebody's going to do this for some TV eyeballs or TRP or GRP or whatever, for an ulterior motive of, they want breaking news, or they want that promo to be played on.